rush mid.
Let's go! Let's go! Hindi na ako maglalagay ng sight. Meron na pala akong Maya Purple. Gago.
Hindi mo na guys. Yung mga DPS natin, yung mga Synex, focus na lang ng crystal. Thank you. Saudi, labas na sila. Here. Okay, focus na sa crystal set. 3-second team, kindly please focus now on crystal A. So either you get the 7 o'clock or the 4 o'clock. Then, Breezy team, yield muna sa mid. Thank you. Team Dodge, pwede nyo na kunin yung Crystal B at 2 o'clock. Then the rest, Team Domingo and Team Domingo team, let's get Crystal A at 7 o'clock. Team Lelouch, yield muna dito sa 7 o'clock. Team Domingo and Kill Team, punta tayo ng Crystal A nila sa 10, 11 o'clock. Spawn na guys yung Crystal S, so prioritize Crystal S, everyone.
Sura ako.
They're not gonna be contesting the Crystal S, so 3-second, can you kindly focus on Crystal A? And then Dodge, focus na lang ulit ng Crystal B. Kayo na bahala kung saan yung Crystal B kukunin niyo. Kung makuha niya yung boost, mas better. Then, Team Domingo and Frigid Team try to contest their Crystal A dun sa may 10, 11 o'clock. Or mag-PVP kayo dyan. Kami na mag-guild sa Crystal S. Can you please Ano, okay na. Kinukuha na nila yung Crystal Ace. Focus tayo sa 11. Kim Domingo and PG Team. $18 seconds guys yung Crystal S. So, 10 seconds, punta na tayo. Let's go, Crystal S. All guys, Crystal S. Okay. Yung 3-second team and focus the 7 o'clock Crystal A. Then Dodge, kindly please get the Crystal A.
Kami, rate 4 yung nasa 4 o'clock. Pero paubos na
Then
to.
the rest, PvP sa 15 F. Yung mga numbers na nag-spawn sa respawn 1, kindly please get the Crystal A. For those who spawn at or respawn points number 1, kindly please get the Crystal A. 7 o'clock. Nakasuli ka ba? Okay, we hit that 2K morale. So 1K to go. Dodge team may pakuha no Crystal Beat sa may 6 o'clock banda. And then 3-second team, kindly please get the Crystal A at the 7 o'clock. Then the rest, Kim Domingo, Freezy, Lelouch team, let's go 11 o'clock, Crystal A. Scratch that, yung Crystal A11. Punta na tayo ng Crystal S, guys. Kim Domingo, Freezy, and Lelouch team. Then 3 seconds, just focus on yielding the Crystal A. Same as with Dodge team. After the Crystal S, pwede na kayo pumunta Kim Domingo, Freezy, Lelouch. On the 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock Crystal A. Dodge team currently focus on the Crystal B. Thank you. Then 3 second, go with us with Kim Domingo, Lelouch, and PT team at the 1 o'clock. Kindly please, 3 seconds, kindly please yield on this Crystal A. Then Kim Domingo, Lelouch, PT, focus tayo ulit sa 11. PVP dun. Although na pala, dito na tayo kay 3 seconds na tama.
Be on the way.
one or two of us. Okay, good. So, 11 o'clock guys, naklik ko A. Okay guys, we are gonna hit the 3K morale. So enjoy PvP. If you want to stop getting Crystal B, Crystal A, it's okay. Fine, but always focus on Crystal S if it's common. Thank you. So 15 minutes, 15 seconds guys, Crystal S. Let's focus on that first before doing PvP. Team 3 seconds, you can join them doing PvP. We're gonna get this crystal. Everyone, if you gusto nyo na mag-PvP, spawn, pwede na. Ako na lang mag-yield sa crystal. Enjoy your PvP. Thank you.
Okay, dikit ang laban. Pero mas mataas ang moral namin.
Uh, 15 seconds, Crystal S. Uh, 3 seconds still after Crystal S. Kindly focus back on the Crystal B at 10 o'clock. So that they wouldn't reach 2,000 morale.
Loki.
So everyone, pagka nakakuha sila ng crystal, i-deny nyo. Gawin natin para sa atin.
Okay, on the way.
Para hindi sila umabot ng umabot naman sila 2,000. So at least hindi natin paabutin ng 3,000. Dodge teams, kuha ng Crystal Beast na 3 o'clock. Ginawa nyo lang, balik nyo sa neutral state or mas better kung sa atin. 4 GB guys. Thank you. No fights, ah.
GG.